Is it recording?
Welcome to the Hunger Games Secret Edition Private Recipe Reserved.
Oh, goodness!
Here we are in the kitchen late at night for our secret recipe.
As you can see, it's a little more informal tonight. I wanted to make this feel personal.
It's rather lazy, if you ask me.
No, I wanted to feel like you're with me in my kitchen, in my house coat. All you need are these 12 simple ingredients. Olive oil, onions, water, not chicken broth, fire roasted tomatoes, kidney beans, pinto beans, spicy black beans, refried pinto beans, fire roasted corn, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, Daya vegan cheddar. This is a very personal recipe. See, it's a very big deal that I'm sharing it with you today.
All I can read is non-BPA lining. This is just a bunch of beans. What's the name of this recipe that's pretty much beans and beans?
Well, there's so many beans in it, in fact.
So
many beans, in fact. The bean brothel.
The bean brothel. It's dirty, it's sweaty, it's steamy. All those beans in there just mushing together with their bodies up against each other. Bean to bean, kidney to pinto.
Enough.
All those fire roasted tomatoes heating up the place.
You need a large pot. A very large pot to hold
He's had
all
a
these
large
beans.
pot already. I can't. Okay.
6.
6.
Equivalent to a medium high.
Medium high. That's what I was going to say.
Now, aim the camera into the pot.
Alright, we will be right back. Here we are back above the pot. This is a new thing we're trying out here on the Hunger Games.
Aerial view.
Handheld camera work.
The first thing that we must start out with is olive oil. About 2 tablespoons. That ought to do it.
I'm just gonna go deep in. This is like a James Cameron mission. Woo, woo. Oh my god, is it the Titanic? Ooh. Oh, sorry.
You have a white onion here. This may seem like a small ingredient, but it's crucial to the recipe. It really holds it together. About half a cup of chopped onion. Seriously.
Lovely sound, isn't it? Oh god, I've done something. Oh. The brothel is open for business. This is the early customers setting the mood, shall we say.
The onions.
Oh, there it is again.
Oh,
This is very pretty.
no.
Okay,
Step back.
Oh. Okay, we've
Do you
zoomed
see
in.
these? We've got these 2
gosh.
cans of
Yes,
diced
we-
fire roasted
We
tomatoes.
already showed. Oh, yes. Oh, aerial. Oh, here we go again, hey? Oh.
Now you can really just
This is gross.
make sure your heat is
It's
still
so
on
pretty.
medium high, because you really want it to just keep heating through nicely. Don't be scared of those high temperatures.
Oh, take it in.
Not
It's like-
chicken cubes. Rich golden broth and seasoning. Obviously integral to the recipe, for it's the broth in the brothel.
That's gross.
That's
We
lovely.
really shouldn't show that. Put it in. In goes the broth cube. Isn't it tiny compared to what a powerful punch that will pack?
Now, say when.
We're back at the brothel and the water is about to go in. Now, the beans have not entered the brothel yet, may I remind viewers.
About a quarter of a cup. Were you aware that chili originally originated from the UK? Contrary to the urban legend, au contraire. I just tried, and I tried until I got it right. So you put in every bean except the refried beans. These you leave. You don't put these in. Not yet. You want to see them begin to just start to bubble again.
Now, can we have an approximate time?
About 10 minutes. When I served under Leia, she used to tell me, hope is like the sun. The brothel, you see it?
Speak up.
You see it? You see it bubbling? The brothel? Do you? Tell me.
Oh, me? Oh, shit.
Tell me.
Yes, of course.
Now, what I'm about to tell you, you need to keep a secret, alright?
Yes.
This recipe was stolen from the Hogwarts kitchen.
Whoa.
That's right. I stole it. They made this in the Great Hall. Harry Potter ate this. That's why it originated in the UK.
Oh, good luck. Good luck.
Works best to
That's
be-
like your mom trying to get out of her jeans.
The purpose of this is to thicken the whole pot.
And did it ever?
So, that's why you have to wait for the beans to be hot, so you can stir and stir. I'll tell you another secret. The refried beans is the secret. It's like the secret ingredient to what makes this chili special. Some people will make chilies, bean chilies, whatever, and they'll be so watery, so just like, ugh. You eat them and you're like, oh, bean chili, so good.
Yeah, waiting on the corn. Corn, you hurry up, please.
I don't really know how much I put in. It's usually like 1 or 2 handfuls, personal preference. Depends on, you know, do you like corn? Do you not like corn? That's like 1 handful, that's like 2.
So what's left? What's left?
Salt. Salt is very important. I know that you saw the bouillon cube go in before and you think, oh, so much salt. Not enough. There's like 6 cans. 6 cans and 1 bouillon cube. You're not going to taste it. Start with about a tablespoon of salt. No, a teaspoon. Start with a teaspoon of salt. Correction, a teaspoon of salt. And then you're really going to have to taste it and decide for yourself if you want more or less. Pepper. Sprinkle in however much you like. I like a lot. Some people like a little. Some people like a lot.
We'll take the lot.
Cayenne pepper.
Mhm.
You have to be very careful. A little goes a long ways. Like 2 sprinkles. Like really 2. Alright, 3.
Oh,
About-
beautiful.
1 big handful of cheese.
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2.
Mmm.
Oh,
There's nothing like watching cheese melt, is there?
no.
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 Maybe like ice. How many stirs would you say you've done in this whole? If I were to give the viewers a stir count. Oh, and we're doing.
I wouldn't try
something
this if
already.
I were you.
We're doing.
I really shouldn't be doing it at all. It's quite advanced wand work. I mean, spoon work.
I'm getting a rather bit.
It's done.
Here it is, folks. The secret recipe. Let's get that beauty into a bowl and a light. Oh, here it is. Here it is. All right, it's ready in focus and ready for you to say something about it. I've got a beautiful shot. Don't move. Don't move. I got a beautiful shot.
There it is. The bean brothel. Straight, made with love, from the Great Hall to your mouth. Is it done yet, Mommy?